Have you ever wondered if you've chosen the right path? It often feels like others have already figured it out. Someone is living their dream, someone has achieved success, and you're standing there, lost in search, like a wanderer in the void. You don't know where to go. You don't feel confident in what you're doing. And sometimes, it feels like your life's purpose is just a mirage that will never come true. You look at these bright dreams of others and start doubting yourself. What if it's not yours? What if you're just lost? Fear and doubt overwhelm you, and you think, maybe I'll never find my purpose. But what if I told you that finding your life's work is much easier than you think? It all starts with listening to yourself. The answers aren't hidden in other people's successes or in perfect images. They're inside you. The first step is to feel what you love to do. When you're doing something, and time seems to disappear. When you forget about tiredness, and the world around you doesn't seem that important. Remember the moments when you felt truly alive. The second step is to find what makes you grow. Something that sparks your interest, that excites you, and makes you want to improve. Try new things, explore different directions. Sometimes the path to your purpose isn't straight, and that's okay. Your life's work could be something you hadn't even noticed before. And what if I told you that the right path is not one single choice, but a process? Yes, every day you can try, fail, change direction. And in this process, you'll discover your true goal. And then, in the end, when you're almost desperate, you suddenly realize, it wasn't a choice, it was a journey. You've been walking towards it all along, and now you know that your life's purpose is the path you create yourself. The sound fades, and a clear, warm sun appears on the screen. And maybe your life's work is simply to start by standing up and taking the first step.